In this video, we are going to make a 600 by 600 window from this 1200 by 1200 window. So like what we explained in the earlier video, using Add Selected, we can scale the X side of this window and the Y side of this window based on this XY coordinate system. We can scale it to any other instance of window that we want to get. Like we established before, if we are scaling this to 600 by 600, I mean scaling this 1200 by 1200 to 1000 to 600 by 600, we have to use 1200 to divide 600, and that will give us 0.5. So our X and Y scale factor using Add Selected here will be 0.5 each. So let's proceed to work. All right, so I click on Add Selected, and if you look at my status bar, I'm asked to select the object. This is the object, so I select the object. Now it's asking me for an insertion point. Okay, I place here as my insertion point, and then it's asking me to enter escape factor. We've established before that is 0.5, so 0.5, enter. It is asking me to enter Y escape factor. We've also established is 0.5, so 0.5, type from your keyboard and hit enter on your keyboard. And it's asking me for a rotation angle. Okay, if I'm to rotate it by 75 degrees, I'll type 75 degrees, 75 on my keyboard and enter. If I'm rotating by 45, I'll also type 45 on my keyboard and enter. But this time around, I'm not rotating with any angle, so I type 0 on my keyboard and enter. So if you dimension this window, you find out that we have a 600 by 600 window. Now, this door is a standard door of 900 by 2100. So let's get a water closet door of 750 by 2100 from this 900 by 2100 door. So of course, we are just going to scale the X side, which is this 900. We want it to be 750. But the 2100 side, we are leaving it because that is the standard width of door all over the world. 2100 is equivalent of 7 feet. Okay, so I click on my Add Selected, and then it's asking me to select object. This is the object. I select it. Oh, sorry, I need to convert this to a block first. Before you can use Add Selected, the object must be in a block. If you look at this window of 12 by 12, it's in a block. So this needs to be in a block first of all. So I proceed quickly to make that into a block. All right, let me make it along with the dimensions. I click on make a block. That's not new to us. Okay, let me use it as my pick point. Okay, these are the objects I want to make into a block. All right, let me just give it any name, and that is it. The object is already in the block. So I pick on my Add Selected, and then I select the object. Okay, 750 divided by 900 to get our scale factor for the X side. That gives us 0.83333. So I click on my insertion point. It's asking me to enter scale factor, 750 divided by 900, which is 0.833. I enter. All right, it's asking me to enter my Y scale factor. Now my Y scale factor is 1 because I am not scaling the 2100 side. So 1, enter. It's asking me to enter a rotation angle. Okay, my rotation angle is 0. So that is it. All right, this dimension, that dimension needs to go out. Okay, So this is the real dimension, that's it, 750. Okay, let me modify this block to take off the dimension. Okay, so the dimension goes out. So with dimension now, to confirm that it's a 750 door, and this way is still 2100. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we are going to do something on model in place. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have not, just hit the subscribe button and then also hit the bell button so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be notified.